the Navy, the skipper of the ship. Handoffs to the watch. And there's the XO right over there. Executive officer making sure that he's keeping on track. And then of course the girls are having far too much fun, so we're going to throw them overboard anytime soon. And there's the other boats in the area, and of course the cruise ship terminal with a massive cruise ship in port, ready to go and check out the city. And there's the Victoria waterfront. And then we've got a high-speed boat closing on a steady bearing off of our starboard bow, and a seaplane up in the air. And there you can see in the background that big brown patch, that's the gravel pit, and that's basically right on the edge of that is where we live. So you can also see HMCS Vancouver in the distance, maybe a little too far for this camera, but there she be. We having fun?
Oh my God.
Are you?
Yes.
Then get off my boat. So here we are. Lost. Totally lost. I think we need to go that way. So we're at Oak Bay Marina. It's a beautiful spot, as you can see behind us. All the beautiful yachty kind of things going on here. And with my buddy Dave and his family, we're checking it out and dreaming the dream. Someday we want to be here, parked and having a big mega yacht and stuff. And here we are at the marina. That's the marina office over there. And this is where the boat sales were. We came down here when we were looking at sailboats to the Bayview yachts. But we never ended up buying a sailboat. We ended up buying a powerboat. We're happy for that. Although someday I would like to do some sailing. So we'll see if we can see the seals. Sometimes they come alongside here.
It's a lot nearer than ours.
There we go. There we are, leaving the marina.
That's Shamu.
And there's Shamu, the killer whale, over there. Free Willy. And there's the marina where we just had lunch. Gang of us walking along Oak Bay, checking it out. We're going to go to the shopping area and see what kind of good deals we can find. Right, Tuki?
Yes.
Bambi up there, blocking all the traffic. Just checking it out. Go. sightseeing bus.
We'll have to come back on
Here we are in the center of the Oak Bay shopping area. All the cute little shops, banks, cafes.
From the TV series.
So here I am, downtown Oak Bay shopping area, and we were walking by the store, and it was a Rogers chocolate store, and they had these on the sign: a milk chocolate ice cream bar. And I gotta say, this bad boy is good. Just about 3 doors down that way. Rogers chocolate, really good. So cheers, everybody. And there are the girls getting their ciders, checking it out. Oh, and it's a pear cider yet. Look at this place. All kinds of booze. And what are you going to get, young lady?
I think we have cider.
There you go. Well, Liz is going to get some, so you guys will be golden. There we are at Fairways Market. Fairways Market with all the fresh fruit and veg. End of Oak Bay. I think the girls are
in the bathroom.
going for a little potty break. There we go. The Oak Bay Municipal Hall in the background. And of course the beautiful ballerina skater. Figure skater. And what a beautiful lawn we have here. I love this area. Just a beautiful, beautiful area. The big oak tree in the background. And the sign for the Oak Bay Municipal Hall right over here with the shopping area in the background. That's kind of cute. Says it's the Oak Bay Summer Art 2015 Summer Itch by David Hunwick. We're on this beautiful flower bed in downtown Oak Bay. It's a cute little statuette. There's the British bussy over there. Sightseeing bus. All adorned in British colors. Kind of a cute little bus, as buses go. And just across the street is the Penny Farthing, a nice little pub. Public house is what they call it. Hey you cougars, get away from my cougar. Oak Bay Summer Art Ghost Cat by Fred Dobbs.
Ghost cat.
That's a pretty typical house in Oak Bay. And here we are walking down back to the waterfront area. We're going to check it out, go a different route back than the way we came, and see the beautiful Oak Bay Vista and Marina. So I was just saying to everybody, I wonder why they call this place Oak Bay. Oh! Because of all the oak trees, I guess. Anyway, there is the marina from across the bay. You can see the foreshore and the beautiful walking path that we're going to go check out on the way back to our boat. And there you have it. What a beautiful place. Absolutely spectacular. Watch out, ladies. Don't run into those oak trees. They're really nasty. They will bite you.
All the acorns.
And here we are. Back to Oak Bay Marina. So we gather our boat and head back to Work Point. And there you can see the sightseeing folks. There you go.
Timmy, look. Timmy.
What?
Make
It's the
and
make, make and mend.
Yeah, Wednesday afternoon off.
And right next to good old Yonder here. I guess all the girls are on board, ready to go home. Are you guys ready for the journey home?
Ready, I ready.
Ready, aye, ready is the motto of the Canadian Navy. There we go. Are you guys ready, aye, ready? There's the stern. There we go. And here we are on the way home. We've just departed Oak Bay Marina. Got the nav picture all sorted out. We've got a kayaker up on our starboard bow, so we'll give him wide berth so we don't knock him over. And Liz is in her normal relaxation spot. And well, the girls, well, girls will be girls.
Just chilling.
Just chilling out. There's the whale watching boat going scooching by, and we've got a South Cardinal buoy right off to our starboard side, so we want to keep the dangers to the north. And there is Trial Island, where you can see the four masts and the Trial Island lighthouse. And there we're going through a small Enterprise channel, following the whale watching boat. Inching our way around the corner in the Oak Bay area, right by the Victoria Dolphin Country Club, which you can see on the shore there. There's the posh places around. And here we are entering Victoria Harbour once again after another successful trip. And you can see the big cruise ships in the cruise ship terminals. Over there is the heliport. You can see the catamaran coming out, going to sea. And over there in that general direction, straight ahead, is our home marina at Work Point. You can see the searchlights, the old World War II searchlights on the point right there. Got the little sailboat there. Entrance to Work Point, the inner harbor being that way. A really cool little sailing boat coming out of the harbor, doing a tour, taking a bunch of tourists. Safe to say that my passengers enjoyed themselves on this little journey.
We did, it was fabulous.
There we go, and there's the boat way back in the distance. Little Yonder until we take her out the next time. And here we are coming back up to the clubhouse and the main gate for the marina. And there's our tide lift. So if you want to see the bottom of your boat, you can plunk it on there, and it's got a cradle, so at low tide you can actually make your boat high and dry.
Harbour, the seals were just waiting for it.
And there's the
There
boat
was a seal as
house.
coming in.
clubhouse and the boat launch for Work Point Marina. And
So they charge $500 a year.